right, it's been a busy afternoon here on Mo's 75 Vet. We saw our videos earlier today with Scotty, and with Scotty and I together when I got in, because I had to go do a little diag action in La Quinta this morning for Larry's T-Bird, which it's on our channel. So, anywho, I've routed some wiring, gotten quite a bit together. I need to hook up our pressure switch from the low side of our AC into those two right there. Those are for the thermostat and the pressure switch. So I need to do that in the morning. Scotty's gonna move the control box there so we can get the ductwork finalized, get that done. I'm leaving that side of the dash open. We can get in there and work on stuff, whatever we need to do. And we are coming along. I mean, trying to get this done with everything that's kind of customized and all trying to integrate it together on a factory application and to hide it and make it as stock appearing as possible. It's no easy task. It's very time consuming. There's obviously got to align the front end once this thing's down and running and wired. Hopefully by this time tomorrow. I mean, it's 5 to 7 right now. So by this time tomorrow night, I'm hoping to have it at least running. But as for getting anywhere or driving this weekend, more than likely not happening. But again, custom application, it takes time. This whole process takes loads and loads and loads of time. There is a lot going on here. And it's definitely a lot of electrical, a lot of time, a lot of hours. But we are doing our due diligence to get it done as fast as we can. But holy moly, we're light years ahead of where this thing was when it showed up.